How's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Suzy Q y punta. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start with somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. Somotuno. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q y punta. So we're going to do a regular Suzy Q like we did before. So 1, 2, 3. Now for the punta part, we're actually going to use that right foot to point out like so. And then we're going to bring that right foot on 5, 6, 7. And of course, you guessed it right. Punta again with that left leg. And then somotuno. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q y punta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Allí. Now, hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright, mi gente, so when doing Suzy Q y punta, you want to really emphasize el 4 and 8. I can't stress it enough, y'all. So, let's try it nice and slow. Starting with our left leg, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Really emphasize that 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Really emphasize that 8 as well. And then from here, immediately go into somotuno. 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7. Alright? It's going to make it look super nice and fancy on the dance floor and add a little extra spice to it too. Alright? So let's try this in halftime with music and then we'll do it at full speed. Alright? Here we go. 5, 6, somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q y punta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somotuno. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Double time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q. Punta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Here we go. Suzy Q y punta. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.